welcome back to my channel, and today another tutorial for you guys. And this is I'm going to use my 3mm hook and my 8-ply acrylic yarn. So it depends if you're going to use different yarn. Just use your recommended hook for that. Okay, so to start with, we're going to create our magic ring. So once you created your magic ring, into this magic ring we are going to do a single crochet. So insert, pull up a yarn, you have 2 loops, insert and pull through 2, and we are going to complete 12 single crochet into this magic ring. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And now we're going to insert into the first single crochet and make sure that you have 12 single crochet. And then we're going to pull this tail tight to close our ring. Okay, so from here we're going to chain 4 and we're going to triple crochet. So triple crochet is wrap twice, and into the next stitch we're going to do pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and yarn twice, yarn over twice, insert into the next, and pull through, and pull through. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Chain 4 and into the next we're going to slip stitch. Chain 4, yarn over twice, and do your triple crochet. Chain 4 and slip stitch. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You continue doing that. And this is how it looks like. Okay, so after this we're going to cut our yarn and start a new yarn. And you grab your new yarn and you make your slip knot, and we're going to attach it into the top of this chain 4. Just like that, and we chain 4, and we're going to treble crochet into this next stitch. So wrap twice, insert, pull up and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and wrap twice and into the next, just like that, and chain 4, and we're going to slip stitch into the top of this last double crochet. We're going to slip stitch, and this is how it looks like. After that we're going to chain 4 and wrap twice, and we're going to work in this stitch here, our treble crochet, and we're going to place our treble crochet, two treble crochet, and we're going to do another one of treble crochet into this stitch. And after that we're going to slip stitch into this top of our chain 4, and we have to chain 4, and we will be doing the same. Copy this one into here, treble crochet into the next, triple crochet into the next, and chain 4 and connect it into the first on top of our chain 4, and slip stitch, chain 4, and now we're going to work triple crochet 3 times into this chain 4, and after that we're going to connect on top of our chain 4. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Chain 4 and triple crochet twice, chain 4 and connect it onto the top. And slip stitch, chain 4 and work 3 triple crochet. And connect with a slip stitch. Chain 4 and slip stitch where we started. And now this is how it looks like. Okay, so to start with our next row is I'm going to change my color. So create your slip knot and we're going to attach it into the 4th chain. With a slip stitch and chain 4 and triple crochet twice, and then chain 4 and slip stitch into this. Chain 4 and work your 3 triple crochet, just like that. And now we're going to slip stitch into this top of the chain 4, chain 4 and triple crochet on top of this triple crochet that we created. And then slip stitch on top of this chain 4. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And we're going to continue. and slip stitch. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this is our first corner, and this is our second corner and third, and you just have to continue that, and you create how big you want to be. So after this, I'm going to change color and do the blue, and then I'll come back and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so as you can see here, this is how it looks like. Okay, the one that I created. So I use two colors. Okay, so and I alternate both color. So I started with white and then blue, white, and I finished with blue, and it looks amazing. Okay, so hopefully guys you like this video. If you do, please smash that like button and share our videos as well so others can watch. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will post a new video. So thank you very much guys, and happy crocheting everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.